For years, I tried to figure out what I wanted to do after I got done with the military, and I think I finally figured out what I want to do in PDR.
All those guys are great, some of the best in the industry that can teach you, and they're going to be right over your shoulder when you need them.
It was very enjoyable. I was better than I thought I would be, to be honest.
I would definitely recommend this place to anyone that's looking to get into this type of business.
Even if you're retired, you have up to 15 years to be able to come and use your GI Bill, and they pay for everything.
You really start working on like crease dents, shallow dents, sharp dents on actual cars.
I'm not going to be a professional like my instructors today, but I know with a little bit more practice, I'm going to be just as good as they are one day. Big thanks to Dean King.
Thank you, Dean King Training Institute.
Thank you, Dean King.
Thank you, Dean King.
To thank the Dean King for creating this place so people like me can come here to get trained.